Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a mood body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, your applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper, You with a big stepper who chasing a cheddar, All of these women, they not on your level, You like a mix of business and pleasure, You a mood body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing. 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 But you ain't even flexing.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Oh, so cruel. Oh, so cruel. Adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me, adore me.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a mood body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, your applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper, You with a big stepper who chasing a cheddar, All of these women, they not on your level, You like a mix of business and pleasure, You a nobody giving center views. I'm just saying.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay y'all, so the unit that I am rocking today was sent to me by Kisslove Hair. Shout out to you Kisslove for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking is their reddish brown body wave 5x5 lace closure wig. I have it in 26 inches and it is 250% density. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the link. Okay, so on the link it says reddish brown human hair wig body wave dark red brown 5x5 13x4 13x6 lace wig in number 33. This unit is available in 12 to 30 inches. As I stated, I have it in 26 inches and it is available in the 5x5, the 13x4, or the 13x6. As I stated, I have the 5x5 and the densities that are available is 150, 180, and 250% density. So it says on down, it says top Swiss lace, invisible and undetectable transparent lace. That's the lace color. The features are pre-plucked baby hair around the perimeter, slightly bleached knots, can be straightened, curled, dyed, and bleached easily. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs. Okay, so you guys know I'm a closure stan. Okay, so you guys know I am definitely living for this closure. As far as bleaching and tweezing, I didn't do any other things with this unit. How you guys see her is how she woke up. Okay, girl, she woke up like this. I didn't have to do any extra stuff with this unit. I did add some layers and curl it, because you guys know I just curl all of my body wave wigs, but other than that I didn't do any extraness to this unit. As far as shedding and tangling, I didn't experience any straight out of the packaging. That's not to say oh girl won't do any other things at some point. Just as straight out of the packaging, oh girl did none of the things, so shout out to her for doing none of the things, honey. As far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion it is. I think you'll be able to make this unit work across the board in my opinion, but to me it is big head friendly. It's more medium to big head friendly than not, because I did have to adjust the straps and I am an average cap size. So girl, do with that what you want to do with that. And yeah, I think that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and lint check, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so you guys know I like to start with the cons because I like to end on a high note. So my con with this unit is gonna be, I'm gonna just say my con is gonna be that it's a closure, because everybody don't like closures, girl, because I don't have any other con. I don't have any other cons to keep it a buck with you. So that's gonna be my con. My pros is that it's a closure. I know I said that was my con. It's really a other people con. It's a pro for me. I love a closure. Like I stand a closure. They're perfect. They're not as much work. Like I will take a closure over anything any day. So that is my pro. I love this color, and you guys know typically I don't do these sort of colors in like spring or summer, but it was just too pretty. It was just too pretty to pass up. So I feel like, you know, despite I don't like to wear typically darker colors in the spring or summer, I'm gonna rock old girl. Okay, I'm gonna rock her. We're gonna get ready to go on spring break vacation, and I'm gonna be rocking old girl. Okay, unless I change my mind. But I love this unit. I'm gonna be wearing this unit indefinitely. Okay, so yeah, those are my pros. Oh, also I love that it came slightly pre-bleached to the point where I didn't feel like I needed to bleach it, and that it came slightly tweezed, because I don't like tweezing. So other pros. Obviously I would recommend this wig. Obviously I would recommend this unit. I think it's just an overall gorgeous unit, and I would recommend it for the same reasons that I stated were my pros. And it's extremely beginner friendly, and I love that for me too, because when it's beginner friendly I feel like it's also lazy girl friendly, and you know your girl lazy. You know your girl lazy. So yes, I would recommend this unit. Alright y'all, let's do this full 360 and lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. Sound off down below in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out to you, Kisslove Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I'll see you love bugs next time. Bye.